Just give me less than 3 minutes to show you how I make this sumptuous vegetable soup. The secret to a very good vegetable soup is to make sure you wash your leaves right, getting rid of any sand and ensuring you preserve the nutrients at the same time. To my new viewers, thank you for stopping by, and to my returning viewers, thank you once again. This is inspired by JI, where I share curated food content and travel lifestyle. So today we're going to be making vegetable soup. We're going to be using proteins of our choice, but whichever protein you decide to use, just make sure you keep little tiny cuts of pomo, or what we call kanda, and some towel. This will give it that little protein taste when you pick up some vegetable soup to eat. Let me give you guys a background story to how I made this soup. I actually went to the shop to get something else and I saw these fresh leaves. I couldn't get my eyes off them, so I decided to get them, and trust me, that was the best decision I made at that point because my family loved it, I loved it, and it came out so nice. So by the way, people make their vegetable soup in different ways. This is just one way I make mine. I use fresh assorted peppers, no tomato. If you've watched to this extent, then I'm guessing you like this method and you want to see how the outcome will be. Well, please subscribe for me while you're watching and enjoying this content. Thank you. And you could as well share to your friends. I really appreciate your support so far. So yeah, let's continue. You have to be so generous with your crayfish. Oh god, you don't want to be stingy with crayfish when it comes to vegetable soup. And this is mine. As you can see, it's quite thick and the water isn't much. I added extra Cameroon pepper just to give it more pepper taste and to suit my taste buds. So the first thing you'll be doing is add your water leaf and let it sit there for a few seconds. Then you add your ugu leaves. I feel my video don't do justice to how my food actually tastes, and I really hope you get to taste it one day. So thank you so much for watching to the end of this, and I hope you come back to my channel because I'll be posting other easy cooking tips. And yep, thank you. Bye.